if you have accidentally gotten water into your iPhone speaker. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. You can try to remove it using sound, particularly at a frequency like 165 Hz, and here is how to attempt it. The idea is to use a sound frequency that can help vibrate the water out of the speaker. You can find 165 Hz sound clips online or use a sound frequency app to generate it. You can use apps like Frequency Sound Generator or search for 165 Hz sound on YouTube. Max out the volume on your phone and play the sound for a few minutes, directing the speaker downwards the ground so gravity helps with the water removal. Turn the volume to its maximum setting before playing the sound. You can also use Siri or your volume buttons to crank it up. Then, tap your iPhone gently with the speaker facing downward, allowing the water to drip out, and tilt the phone to different angles while playing the sound to help shake the water free.